Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a visitor tracking dashboard in GoHighLevel. This is incredibly useful for monitoring who's visiting your pages and understanding user behavior in real time. So let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to the GoHighLevel login page. Once you're there, sign in using your account credentials. This will bring you to your main workspace where you can access all the tools and features available in GoHighLevel. After logging in, look over to the left navigation panel and click on the option labeled Dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your dashboard views and create new ones tailored to your specific tracking needs. Now, in the upper left part of your dashboard page, you'll notice a drop-down button. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear with several options. Look for the one that says plus Add Dashboard and select it. This is your gateway to creating a custom dashboard from scratch. You'll be redirected to the new dashboard page, where you'll be prompted to choose from 3 options. Create a blank dashboard, use a template from the template library, or clone an existing dashboard. For this tutorial, we're going to start fresh, so click on the Select button under Create a blank dashboard. This gives you complete control over what data you want to display. Next, you'll be required to name your dashboard. Choose something descriptive like Visitor Tracking Dashboard so you can easily identify it later. You'll also see a toggle button that controls the visibility of this dashboard. Review this setting carefully to decide who should have access. Once you've filled everything out, click on Confirm to proceed. Now you're on the Edit Dashboard page, and this is where the magic happens. Since we're building a visitor tracking dashboard, we need to add visitor data widgets. Look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the Edit Dashboard button, which has a pen icon next to it. This will open the widget menu on the right side panel. Scroll down through the available widgets until you find Visitor Data. Click on it and you'll be able to select which specific visitor data you want to track. The great thing here is that you can add multiple widgets from the same category, allowing you to monitor different aspects of visitor behavior all in one place. Once you've added all the visitor data widgets you need, click on Save Changes to finalize your dashboard. Your visitor tracking dashboard is now live and ready to provide insights into your page traffic. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.